End of the era, closing of the chapter that was so interesting for everyone to read. Today, Orlando Pirates have just announced that Jose Luis Rivero will not be extending his contract beyond its current season, meaning that Orlando Pirates from 2025, 2026, they have to make a plan to sign a new head coach. Nonetheless, Jose Luis Rivero, we just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for the level of professionalism that you've displayed at Orlando Pirates. Thank you for containing the spirit, for containing unity amongst the squad that you have. You didn't have the best out of the best, but you use the little that you have to produce the best squad ever that we have ever seen at Orlando Pirates Football Club. You remain one of the longest serving coaches at Orlando Pirates Football Club. Yours was not about speeches, was not about supporters must be able to support you. It was all about work, results after results, and you've made it so easy for us as the club to compete each and every time and make sure that we remain competitive at all the level. Let me take you forward in 2021-2022 season when we finished position number 6. We were knocked out by Moroka Swallows in the MTN 8 finals. We were also knocked out in the last round 16 of the Nedbank Cup. Things were never easy. Things were never simple for us. You have healed the broken hearts. You have manned all the spirits to return back to Orlando. Now we are known to sort out the affairs in each and every corners that we travel to, all because of you. 2022-2023, you came in as the head coach in, if I remember well, it's 22 June 2022. You find your likes of Munapula Saleng, Kabelo Dlamini, you find your Zakhele Lipasa, and you did exceptional well. We went on to win the MTN 8 finals. We went on to win the Nedbank Cup final at Loftus Versfeld against Sikukune. Still remember Terence Zugamanja? You give him the opportunity. Still remember Saleng? You give him opportunity. Or likes of Zakhele Lipasa. The following season, you introduce Urili Mufokeng. You went on to beat Kaizer Chiefs in and out. You challenged Mamelodi Sundowns with their tremendous budget of players. But you did that. We just did this a graduate. How marvelous was that? Through your era, Rivero, you believe in your stars. You believe on home-cooked meal rather than to go into a restaurant and spend a lot of money. You gave Rele a chance, you never look back. You give Thabiso Sesane a chance, you never look back. You went on and recalled Radio Man, Radio Pane to come to Orlando Pirates. Even now, it takes you as a father. You give Mbegezile Mbokazi an opportunity, you never look back. Rivero, ningi that you have done for us. Or likes of Ndlozi that are playing at the right back of Orlando Pirates, you give them opportunity. That's what we are remembering about you. You recall Azola Tobeni, DDC graduate, back into Orlando Pirates Football Club. You have turned a whole Makitlen Makaula into a modern star, all the way from Amazulu. It's a lot that you have done for us. Rivero, now is not the time for farewell messages, but it is the time for us to enjoy each and every last dance that you are about to give to us. We are going to rally behind you to make sure that we honor you. We make sure that your name will be written as the Champions League winning coach. I'm urging on all the supporters to rally behind Ribeiro and make sure that we cherish this moment as going forward as soon as possible. I'm saying to the players, you know that the ball is under your courts now. How do you say thank you to Ribeiro? Let's go all out, mighty Buccaneers, because we are a big family. We can be able to do this, and we will be able to do this. This man, Luis Ribeiro, 70-year-old Spanish guitar, the guy that have played the guitar and make sure that we come out of our comfort zone and go and feel all these facilities. As the advocate of mob justice under his own office, I just wanted to say, Ribeiro, if you leave, don't forget that you have an advocate. I'm willing to go with you because we'll remain with Orlando Pirates through thick and thin. As the advocate of mob justice football, I say salute. Gracias, Ribeiro. Gracias, entrenador. Jose Luis Ribeiro, entrenador. Gracias, Ribeiro. Thank you so much.